How to apply for CapCut Creator Program. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can apply for CapCut Creator Program. Well, if you wanna become a creator on CapCut and create templates and post it on CapCut, then here is how you can apply to become the creator. You wanna simply head into your browser, on any browser, and searching for CapCut Creator Program apply or application. Then you can see it says US Template Creator Program. The link, you can tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see US Template Creator Program. Now if you see down below, you can see CapCut Affiliate Program as well. You can become a CapCut affiliate. Now here, simply head into US Template Creator Program, and then you can see apply now option. Tap on apply now and it should take you to the application page or process. Here you want to enter in your email, your age, whether you currently live in US. If you don't live in USA, what country are you from? What's your CapCut ID? Please provide a screenshot of your CapCut My Profile page showing your CapCut ID. Then submit a link to one of your edits. So make sure to submit a link to one of your edits. Then you want to share your TikTok profile link. Once you do so, you want to share your Instagram profile. What is the best contact method to reach you out, whether CapCut, Instagram or email, and you can submit it. If you get approved, then you should get an email or whichever contact method you choose from here, and you will be able to join. So this is how you can apply for CapCut Creator Program. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.